Alright, you are welcome to today's video. Now look at this question. Say, given that the first and 11th term of an AP are -5 and 20 respectively, what is the common difference? Here we are asked to calculate the common difference. And then we are given that the first time is -5 and the 11th time is 20. Now let's solve it. Solution. Always bear this in mind. The first time of an AP is always represented with A. Then you can now say A equals to -5 based on this thing given in the question. A equals to -5. And then we also told that the 11th time equals to 20. How do you represent the 11th time? For 11th time, you minus 1 from 11. You times that, when you minus 1 from 11, then you get 10. Then you times 10 with D. That 10 times, that will be 10D. And then you plus with it A. What I mean is that we say, for the 11th time, this is A plus 10D. Now you minus 1 from 11, you multiply with D. And then you plus everything with A. A equals to what? What is it? Equals to 20. Now from here, you can now substitute the value of A to this equation, you can call this one equation 1, you can call this one equation 2. Now you can substitute the value of A to this equation. Let me say sub A in equation 2. Now the value of A is -5. You can now say -5 plus 10D equals to 20. Now -5 plus 10D equals to 20. What do you now get? If you collect like times, you can now say 10D equals to 20 plus 5. You know, say when this -5 cross to the other side, we turn to +5. Then we can now say 10D equals to 25. Then we can now say D equals to 25 over 10. Then our D equals to 2 number 1 over 2. This is our final answer. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, follow and share. Thank you. That's option A.